Ano na? Miss? Ano na? Birthday girl! Ano?
Yung happy birthday to you lang po sa bilis sa happy birthday ah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love, kain na na. Oh, pray, Vincent. Kape, sis. Dali. Kuha mo akong kape. Timpla mo akong kape. Bilis na.
Password yun, password.
Ayun yung lagay ng kape, oh. Dali, kasi napagod si tita, eh. Dali na. Password! Password! Ay! Walang password! Dalag 10 na. 2 digit na. Walang password. Ay, dalaga na. Cellphone. Muray lubat. Cellphone. Conductor mo, yung findings ko, kaka-cellphone mo. Mas-stress pa yan. Uray naka-charge sa cellphone. Gusto na kanya matugluban sa cellphone. Stella. 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 Ah, very good. Ganyan lang, behave. What is your birthday wish? What is your birthday wish? What is your message? Birthday wish. Are you happy? What?
Kasi ilang beses ako mag-ano, yung malas, ilang beses ako nag-vlog.
So, mas binibilang mo yung mga malas?
Medyo lang, this is your first time. Dapat you're so happy. Because tita
Effort?
Effort to decorate all of that. And people eat the
Medyo lang?
food.
Ano ba yan? You're not appreciative.
Eh, kasi parang wala lang.
Oh, medyo!
Is that normal? This is first time.
Eh, kasi yung dati kong birthday, mas maraming pagkain.
Last mo na yan.
Wala na.
Kasi not appreciating what you
Eh,
have.
kasi hindi ako
Nahihiya lang siguro si
At
Princess.
saka naisip ko na rin na nagkaroon kasi ilang beses ko na kasi surprise. Tapos naintindihan ko na pinatigil si Papa doon sa wala. Naisip ko na kung ano ang nangyari.
Okay, sige na, sige na.
We're not doing it again because we're not appreciated that
Mas okay na wala na lang pala, no?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Kasi may bola na ako eh. Sabi ko naman na
Okay.
Okay.
But you must be thankful.